Hi, I'm Teryn and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video and subscribe. Shout out to everyone that has subscribed to my channel, shared my channel, and just commented and engaged with me on this platform. I'm almost at 900 subscribers and I'm so appreciative of all of you. Thank you so much. So I recently did a video that I really didn't expect to have that much reach. I recently did a video on quiet firing inspired by Bonnie Dilbert's LinkedIn post. It's had a lot of views, at least for me, and a lot of people have shared their experience with being quiet fired or seeing it. Thank you to everyone that has watched that video and left comments detailing about their experience, their recommendations, etc. This is going to be a quick video on what I do with products that I don't like or products that I just don't really have a use for anymore. I've reviewed a lot of products on this channel, mainly sunscreens, and sometimes I don't like those products. If I have a product that I don't necessarily like or hate, but I still have a need for it, meaning I need to wear sunscreen every day, I will try to find a way to use and consume that product if I'm outside of the return window, if I can't return it. So for instance, this sunscreen I reviewed and it left a white cast, and this is just a sunscreen that I actually don't necessarily hate, but it does have a little bit of oil to it, but I do like this sunscreen. With this product, it leaves a white cast. Everyone should know by now that you should be applying sunscreen to your hands. I might use this as a sunscreen on my hands, especially while I'm driving. I wash my hands a lot, so once I get to my destination, I don't have to worry about it having a white cast because I'll go to wash my hands and I can reapply the sunscreen the next time I get into my car. You can also use sunscreens that you don't necessarily like or just might not be your favorite when you're outside exercising. Like if I'm going to take my dog for a walk, if I'm going to go to the park or go to the pool or garden outside, I might use a sunscreen that might not necessarily be my favorite, but I can still get a good use out of it. So finding ways to use the products that you don't necessarily like or you might hate for other reasons, such as it might make you oily, it might leave a white cast. You can find ways to use it in your day-to-day life without having to be around a bunch of people or strangers or having to wear it to work. There's ways around it. You can also use it on your body, your neck, just applying it wherever, just to get your money's worth out of it. Now, when it comes to products that I don't necessarily have a use for instance, the CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser, and SA stands for salicylic acid. I don't necessarily have a use for this when it comes to my face care routine, just because I use a lot of gentle products because I'm using tretinoin, clindamycin, benzoyl peroxide, and topicals faded. So I try to use more gentle products in my skincare routine because I am using those products. If I like a product but I don't have room for it in my routine or have a need for it in my routine, I try to find a way to repurpose it. So for this face cleanser, I'll turn this into a body wash. I've done a video on how I try to prevent acne and acne on the body. This has salicylic acid. It's non-comedogenic, non-drying, non-irritating, and it also has ceramide. So this is an exfoliating cleanser. So I can use this on my body as a treatment to treat body acne. So that is what I'm going to be using this product for. A lot of times if there's a product that you like, but it does not fit into your skincare routine, meaning your face, a lot of times you can fit it into your body care routine. So that is what I'm going to be doing with this product. I'm going to be turning this facial product into a body care product, which isn't new, but it's just something that you can do to extend the life and the use of the products that you already purchased. Of course, you can dispose of products. If they've been gently used, you can probably donate them to friends or family that might have use for it. Personally, I just like to not throw away products. That just makes me feel bad unless they're expired. But yes, I try to make use of all my skincare products no matter how much I like them or hate them. Now, if I just don't like them, I think they're completely trash, they might go in the trash, but that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any video topics or ideas you would like me to cover, leave a comment on that as well. What do you do with products that you don't like or just don't have any space for in your routine? As always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.